Okay, good morning, everyone. Make a love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Make a love shout out to all my students and their parents. And if you are new to my channel, please 1, subscribe. 2, like, share, ring the bell buttons. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. All right. Our lesson for today is multiplying polynomial by a monomial. Again, this is week 5, day 2 for the second quarter. Our objectives: be able to multiply a monomial by a polynomials and be able to simplify expressions involving powers of monomial by applying the multiplication properties of power. So our vocabulary: monomial, no? So, review, no? A number, a variable, or a product of a number and one or more variables. Constant, a monomial that is a real number. And power, an expression in the form of x raised to n. Base, in an expression of the form x raised to n, and the base is x, no? Right, exponent in an expression of the form x raised to n, the exponent is n. Okay, now let's review the exponents. Repeated multiplication can be represented using exponents. So we have here 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why x raised to 4. And then we have 1, 2. That's why y squared and z. Okay, so to expand the power, use the exponent to determine the number of times a base is multiplied by itself. So like 8 square x cubed. So that means we will multiply 8 twice or 2 times and x 3 times, no? Okay, let's review again multiplying monomials. We have the product of powers. When two numbers with the same base are multiplied together, add the exponents and leave the base unchanged. A raised to m times a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. So here we just add the exponent. So remember, no? Power of a product in a product raised to a power, the exponent applies to each factor of the product. Like 3xy, close and open parenthesis squared. So that means we need to multiply. So this will become 3 square, x square, y square. Okay, so what will be your final answer? Because we need to multiply this 3 times. So 3 times 3. Then x square, y square. That's why we got 9 x square, y square. Okay, next. So let's review again, more review, no? So we have power of a power. So when a power is raised to another power, multiply the exponents and leave the base unchanged. So a raised to m to n, no? So power to a power. So that means we need to multiply m times n, no? So remember, follow the order of operations when applying more than one property. So we have, okay, so 3 squared times x cubed, y cubed. Okay. So ibig sabihin nito, we need to multiply this 3 times, right? So we have 3 cubed, then 2 plus 3, since dalawa dito, no? Equals 5. So x raised 5 cubed, y cubed. That means 3 times 3 times 3, so that's 27. Bakit? 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So we have 27 here. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Y. Then, so the final answer is 27x, no? X to 15y cubed. Okay? Now, in multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, we apply the distributive law of multiplication over addition. It simply means that we multiply each term of the polynomial by the monomial. So in symbol, A times quantity B plus C plus D is equals to A times B. So we use distributive property here. So A times B, yan, and A times D. That's why we get this, no? A times B plus A times C plus A times D. So let's consider some examples. So using this pattern, so no, or like this, no? Yan, just follow the arrow. That's why we get this 2 times x times 2x times 3x plus 2x times 4x squared plus 2x times 5x cubed. So 2x times 3x equals 6x squared. So remember, we add the exponent then. 2 times 4, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. So that's why 8x cubed plus 2 times 5, 10. So 1 plus 3, 4. Okay? So this is your final answer. Then here, no? So, guys, please follow the arrow, no? So we have negative 3xy times 2x, x. And then negative 3xy times negative 4xy. Yeah, this one. Then plus negative 3xy times 5xy cubed. So here, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have this now plus negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. So positive times positive is positive. So that's why positive x square na y square. Tama. Then we have positive times negative is negative. Na? Okay. So remember the rules in the remember the rules in integers, no? Negative times negative, positive. Positive times positive, positive. So we have here negative 3 times 5 is negative 15 x squared y to the fourth. So because 1 plus 3 equals 4. So that is the correct answer. No? Okay. Okay, so let's multiply the following expressions. Okay, so we have 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Then 1 plus 2 is 3, a cubed. Then 1 plus 3, another b raised to 4. Okay, next. Okay, dito tayo. So we have positive. So plus 6. Because negative times negative is positive. A cube B5. And then we have 6x squared minus 8x cubed. So I have 12y to the fourth minus 15y cubed. And then 10x5 plus 15x4. So we have here negative, negative. So we have positive 21x cubed. And then 16 times negative 3 is equal to negative 48 x6. Okay, so you hope you understand now. So for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And before I go, 1, subscribe. 2, like, share, ring the bell buttons. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Bye bye. See you again. God bless you.